If your organization has several subscriptions, you may need a way to efficiently manage access, policies, and compliance for those subscriptions. Azure Management Groups provides a level of scope above the subscriptions. You organize subscriptions into something called containers and also technically called as management groups, and then you apply your governance conditions to these management groups. Management groups will help you align your organization for your Azure subscriptions through custom hierarchies and grouping. You can also do targeting of your policies and spend budgets across subscriptions and inheritance down the hierarchies. Compliance and cost reporting by organization, for example, business units or teams, can also be done with the help of management groups. All subscriptions within a management group automatically inherit the conditions applied to the management group. All subscriptions within a management group automatically will inherit the conditions applied to the management group. For example, you can apply policies to the management group that limits the region available for virtual machine creation. This policy would be applied to all management groups, subscriptions, and resources under the management group by only allowing virtual machines to be created in that region. Management groups is relatively a new concept in Azure, and this will help us manage access to the resources, enforce policies, and compliance for all the subscriptions that you have in Azure. So, Azure Management Groups is a way to organize all your resources, to push the policies that your governance team made for your organization, compliance reports for your subscriptions, and also who can access the resources in your organization.